brownfield is the legacy investments that our clients have made in infrastructure over many, many years. It could be a power solution, it could be a building solution, it could be a grid solution. Greenfield is new build. New build is the opportunity to put whatever infrastructure you choose at that point in time. It can be aligned to your roadmap, it can be part of your future digital transformation plan. Brownfield is the existing infrastructure that you already have. At Schneider Electric, we think about brownfield implementation. And when we say brownfield, we think about a client's maturity, and we think about their progression through their digital journey. We think about the investments that they've made over time, and they're not insignificant, and they're very painful. Anyone who's done an enterprise software implementation and rollout knows the pain, has the scars, and doesn't want to repeat it. We need to be prepared to be able to integrate into that environment and integrate into the other investments that the client's already made. There's a range of maturity within the business. Some software could have been bought and implemented 20 years ago. Some could be 5 years ago. It's all adding value at this stage. It's all there to keep the lights on and keep the facility operational. That's an absolute must as we move forward in brownfield implementation. There's no opportunity to turn the lights out. These are production facilities. So we have to work in that operational environment to ensure that we continue to deliver value as we implement new value and we deliver new solutions. I'm sure in your brownfield applications, you've got a myriad of legacy applications that you're trying to manage. We're not going to rip and replace. No, we need to build on that value that you've already implemented. We need to augment and add additional value as we go forward. I'm sure you've got lots of different ecosystem partners that you've been working with for many, many years. We can come in and integrate with those solution providers going forward. That's key. We're not going to rip and replace. We're not going to destroy value. We're going to figure out what works for you. We're going to figure out where we can add new solutions, where we need to work with old solutions, where we need to pull in data from legacy applications, where we need to push data potentially into other supervisory systems. Our ability to integrate into that solution and add additional value and additional services moving forward is imperative to the EcoStruxure capability.